In the last episode, we covered collections and backdating tricks. Today, we're going even deeper, into the advanced moves that most people never hear about. These are the strategies that force the bureaus and collectors to actually follow the law. Let's break it down. 1. The Metro 2 secret. First, let's talk Metro 2. Most people have no idea what this is. Metro 2 is the reporting standard that all credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, use to structure your credit data. Think of it like the blueprint for how accounts must be reported. Here's the catch. If your account isn't reported exactly according to Metro 2, it's technically inaccurate. And under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, inaccurate information must be corrected or deleted. Example: if a charged-off account shows a balance and late payments after the charge-off date, that violates Metro 2. That's a dispute you can win, not because the debt isn't yours, but because it's reported wrong. 2 layered disputes. Why most people fail. Most people make one big mistake. They send the same letter over and over. The bureaus love that. They just mark it as previously investigated. The real hack is layered disputes. Each round attacks a new angle. Round 1, personal info. Clean up your name variations, addresses, and employers. Why? Because if old addresses match old negative accounts, they'll link them together. Get those deleted first. Round 2, account accuracy. Challenge missing fields like date opened, last payment, or incorrect balances. Round 3, debt validation. Ask for proof from the collector, not just a line in a system, but a real contract with your signature. By stacking these rounds, you weaken their foundation step by step. That's how you break the system instead of banging your head against it. 3. The power of paper trails. This one is underrated. Paper trails. Every letter you send, every envelope, every response, keep them. Even a simple screenshot of your USPS tracking page. Why does this matter? Because if you ever file a complaint with the CFPB or take it further to small claims, you'll have evidence. Most collectors fold fast when they realize you're documenting everything like a lawyer would. 4. The escalation hack. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you've layered disputes and built your paper trail, you can escalate. File a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or your state attorney general. When the bureaus get a complaint through official channels, it's not just a letter. They're forced to respond differently. That's when you see faster results. 5. Teaser for what's next. I know some of you are thinking, can I get actual templates or exact language? That's why I'm building an advanced playbook. Nothing basic, just the real deal like Metro 2 language, layered dispute formats, and escalation steps. Check the description for details. And in the next video, we're moving into score boosting, adding trade lines, using authorized users the right way, and hidden hacks that can jump your score fast. If this video gave you value, drop a like, subscribe, and comment your biggest credit problem below. I might use it in the next video. Remember, you don't need luck to fix your credit, you just need the right system.